Hey everyone, ready for a deep dive into this whole RoleCatcher thing? It seems like they're trying to be the ultimate job search platform.
Yeah, they've thrown everything in but the kitchen sink.
Hmm.
We're looking at interview prep, career guides, and oh yeah, the AI features everyone's buzzing about.
Okay, let's talk AI because I have to admit, I'm a little fuzzy on how that even plays into job searching.
Well, think about it this way. You spend all this time on your resume,
Hmm.
right? Making it look all nice and professional.
Right.
Then you hit send, and it vanishes into the black hole of applicant tracking systems.
Oh, you mean those ATS things?
Exactly. Those systems companies use to sift through applications. The problem is they're often powered by algorithms that prioritize very specific keywords.
So it's like a robot reading your resume.
Pretty much. And if you don't have the right buzzwords, your application might never even reach a human. That's where RoleCatcher claims to come in.
Okay, so they're trying to crack the code.
Right. They analyze job descriptions to figure out what those algorithms are looking for. Then their AI, this RoleCatcher co-pilot thing, suggests changes to your resume. So you're basically speaking the robot's language.
That's kind of wild. So instead of your resume getting lost in the digital abyss, RoleCatcher helps you stand out.
Exactly. They're all about getting you past those early screening rounds and in front of an actual person.
Makes sense. Now, I did notice they've got this huge bank of interview practice questions, too, like a ridiculous amount.
Yeah, like 120,000 or something crazy.
Is it just memorizing answers at that point?
No, it's more than that. They're big on tailoring your responses, even using AI to analyze your video reversals.
Whoa, hold on. They have AI that critiques your video.
Yep, gives you feedback on how you're coming across, if you're making eye contact, all that.
Wow, that's pretty high tech. Okay, this might seem random, but I was looking at this motor vehicle engine assembler profile. I'm not switching careers or anything, but it just got me thinking this role catcher thing seems to cover all kinds of jobs, not just like Silicon Valley stuff.
Oh, absolutely. It's not just tech bros, right? They've got detailed guides for everything from accountants to zookeepers.
It's pretty impressive, actually. So it's not just about getting you through the application, it's like actual career advice, too.
Exactly. They've got this whole section on career paths, skills you need, even links to professional organizations for different fields.
That's pretty cool, actually. Helps you see the bigger picture, I guess.
Right. Like, what does it really take to get into this line of work? Not just how to write a resume for it.
Okay, so this all sounds amazing, but there's got to be a catch, right? It can't all be free.
Well, they do have a free version. You can browse jobs, get some basic resume help, that kind of thing.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
But to unlock the full AI magic, the co-pilot stuff, the interview simulations, you got to go premium, pay a subscription.
So the classic freemium model, which makes sense, but how do you know if it's worth shelling out the cash?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Hmm.
Really depends on your situation. If you're just casually looking, maybe the free version does the trick.
Right.
But if you're serious, like laser focused on landing a specific job, that extra help might be worth every penny.
Especially compared to hiring like an actual career coach or something.
Oh, for sure. Those hourly rates can add up fast. So it's
Mhm.
weighing your options. What's your job search worth to you?
Right, right. No one wants to throw money away, but the right tools at the right time can be a game changer. Okay, so even if this role catcher thing is top of the line right now, this tech stuff changes so fast.
Bo, tell me about it. What's cutting edge today is ancient history tomorrow.
Exactly. So how do you even keep up?
Well, I think that's the key takeaway here. Tools like this, they're great, but you got to stay curious, you know? Keep learning new W skills, not just rely on the tech to do it all for you.
Right. It's like you can lead a horse to water.
Exactly. You got to be proactive, own your career path, no matter what fancy tools are out there.
Love that. So we've talked a lot about RoleCatcher, all the bells and whistles. But for the folks listening, what's the big takeaway, the thing they should be thinking about as they start their job hunt?
I think for me, it's realizing that the job search itself, it's like a whole different ballgame now.
Mhm.
AI is running the show, and we got to learn the rules, right?
Totally. We can't just bury our heads in the sand, pretend it's not happening.
Exactly. Might as well use it to our advantage, right? That's where these tools like RoleCatcher come in.
It's like AI can feel scary, but it's not about letting it replace us. It's about using it to, I don't know, free up our brains for the stuff only humans can do.
Oh, I like that. You know, being creative, thinking outside the box, all that good stuff.
Right. No robot's gonna write a killer cover letter or nail that interview with pure charisma, you know? Okay, that is so true. There's still that human element you just can't fake.
And that's what people hire at the end
Yeah.
of the day, right? The whole package.
100%. So, as we wrap up this RoleCatcher deep dive, here's a thought for everyone listening. If AI is changing how we APPLI for jobs, maybe we need to change how we think about our careers too.
Ooh, okay, I'm intrigued. Go on.
Like, instead of just chasing the skills everyone says look good on paper, what about the stuff AI can't replicate?
You're talking about creativity, problem solving, that kind of thing.
Exactly. Those are the skills that'll be valuable no matter how fancy the tech gets, right?
It's like future-proofing yourself for whatever comes next.
Exactly. So learn those tools, but don't forget to level up your own human skills too.
Love that. Great note to end on.
That's all we've got for today, folks. But the learning doesn't stop here. Keep that job search hustle strong, and we'll catch you on the next deep dive.